Hello, hey, welcome back to my cooking channel. In case you are clicking this video for the first time, you are so much welcome, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, then hit that notification bell so anytime we'll be uploading any of our new videos, you'll always be notified. So yeah, I'm back here with a very simple potato recipe. I have added all my ingredients, I have written them down. So here I'm adding salt to taste, and then I'll add vegetable oil, and I'll wrap this. I'll mix then wrap this and bake for about 1 hour at 180 degrees Celsius. So yeah, let's wait and see. Simple as that, guys. We are done, and you can see our potatoes are well cooked in the inside, and it's so yummy. So be sure to try this recipe out, and then let me know how yours stand out on the comment section below. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for always coming back. So until next time, see you on our next video. Bye.